Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about understanding the control panel of a CNC machine. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. First, let's take a look at the basic components of a CNC control panel. There are several buttons, switches, and displays that are used to operate the machine and monitor its performance. The most important button on the control panel is the power button. This is used to turn the machine on and off. Next, you'll find the jog buttons, which are used to manually move the machine's axis. These buttons allow the operator to precisely position the machine's cutting tool. Another important component of the control panel is the display screen. This is used to display important information about the machine's status, such as its current cutting position, the tool number, and its speed and feed rate. You'll also find various switches and buttons that are used to control the machine's cutting parameters. These include buttons to control the spindle speed, feed rate, and coolant flow. The control panel also includes an emergency stop button, which will stop the machine immediately in case of an emergency. Now that you have a basic understanding of the control panel, let's take a look at the different modes of operation. There are two main modes of operation on a CNC machine: manual and automatic. In manual mode, the operator manually moves the machine's axis using the jog buttons. In automatic mode, the machine is controlled by a computer program. The key to understanding the control panel of a CNC machine is to take some time to familiarize yourself with the buttons, switches, and displays. With a little practice, you'll be able to operate the machine with ease and make the most of its capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos.